Welcome to another edition of Ask Snappy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of Appy Pie. Today's question comes from Donald, who is a part of a football club in Birmingham, United Kingdom, and he wonders if he could leverage Appy Pie's website builder to create a website for his club. Yes, Donald, with Appy Pie's website builder, you can certainly create a website for your football club. In order to do that, you need to go into a website builder and choose the features that you want. If I was in your position, I would have definitely added about the club. There is an about us section that you could use for that, and you could also use a lot of photo features that we have on Appy Pie. So you can add different matches, pictures of different matches. You can add the audio feature. If you have the commentary, you can upload the MP3 formats in there and actually publish it over there. We also have the video feature. So if you have highlights of the matches your club has played, you can upload those videos in there and then you can publish it over there as well. You can also use a text page to basically print the schedule of your club matches. And you also have the option to add a contact us feature. So if anyone wishes to be a part of your club or has any questions with regards to your club, you can, take those questions from there. And if someone wishes to advertise on your website, you can also do that using a platform. If you like this edition, then do share it on social media channels like Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.